Oh, man, thanks. We're on our way to Vancouver, and I really, really appreciate this.
I couldn't leave these kids sitting out here on the highway. That's why I'm leaving you animal!
Hey! Wait a minute! Come back here, you hillbilly! Come here! No! Let me in! Hey, yo! Bring me back my kids!
Mister, are you crazy?
Some psycho trucker took my kids, man. We gotta catch him.
We'll hop aboard. I'll help ya. Arch to the rescue!
Suzanne, they'll be here any minute. I'm sure they're fine. Now, let's concentrate on the party.
We were completely wrong about Nick. Yeah, but now we know he's kind and gentle.
Come on, Slim, get me close. I got it.
Get
Open
up!
up.
Nick, save us! Help!
Stop this truck. Stop this truck.
Kind and gentle, huh?
Go, man.
I'm moving! This thing wasn't built for speed!
Come on, man. You're driving like an old lady now.
No, you watch. Ernst knows how to drive.
Hey, yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man.
Let us out now! We want to go with Nick! Out!
Come on, Slim. Don't let him push you around. Do it.
Dad, burn it, I had enough of this.
Come on, Slim. They're getting away.
It won't turn over! I can't do anything about it! I'm sorry! Oh, it's true. Never a cop around when you need one. Ah! What are you doing? Are you crazy?
Look, it's Elite Catering. This is Mom's party. Let's go. Come on. I want some cotton candy.
Gotcha!
Run, save yourself.
Wait! At least slow down! You two are a peck of trouble, you know that? Wait! I'm trying to protect you!
You're going down, sucker! Get off me!
I'm gonna give you a knuckle sandwich! Let me ask you, take your hands up! What's wrong with you two? He's a kidnapper! He's a kidnapper! Let me at him! Let me at him!
Yeah, get it. Mom!
Lindsay, honey. Oh, baby, Mommy was so worried about you. Are you okay?
Yep. 8 o'clock, just like you said.
Now, where is your brother and that Nick?
I left him by the ice skating rink.
Now, I need to know what's going on here, and I want the truth.
The truth? I don't think there's time for the truth.
I'm the good guy. Get him. Get your hands off me, you stinking snowman.
Wait a minute. You don't understand. I got permission from his mother to bring him here. Kevin, Charlie. Kevin! Let me go! He needs his inhaler! Kevin! Oh no. Come on, man. Come on, Kevin. Come on, man. Breathe. Come on, breathe. Kevin! Don't you ever scare me like that again. You hear me? Don't you ever do that.
Maybe it won't be so bad to turn out like you after all.
Kevin?
Mommy!
Oh, Kevin, honey, come here. Oh, honey, I don't know what Mommy was thinking. I should have just come home. Are you okay?
It's okay, Mom. I'm fine.